Hi, good day, sir. Today we are going to present our group assignment. Our chosen company is Coca-Cola. As we know, Coca-Cola is one of the world famous and largest brands in beverage industry. The company was established by Dr. John Pemberton, who was a pharmacist in 1886 in Atlanta, USA. The brand has since become household drinks in over 200 countries across the globe. The business model of the Coca-Cola company is run with a focus on business and finished goods. In the concentrated market, the company generates profits from sales of concentrates and syrups to authorized bottling partners. Coca-Cola maintains an advantage over competitors through its competitive positioning strategy by providing a large product line, delivering outstanding customer service, and increasing its advertising initiative. Coca-Cola devotes a substantial portion of its net revenue to promoting, which leads to its dominant market position. For example, the majority of Coca-Cola advertisements are directed toward young people and teenagers. Their objective is not gender specific, but the result reveals that all sexes, almost 50 over 50, like and use this product.
Hi, I'm Jachi. I'm going to present about the operation management issue of the Coca-Cola Company. The scope of operation management extends from the strategy to tactical and operational. Tactical issue consists of plan layout and structure, project management system, and choices of material, production scheduling and control, inventory management, quality control and inspection, traffic and material handling, and equipment maintenance policies are all operational issues. In order to develop and launch the Coca-Cola product line, the company created a management operation. Operation management of Coca-Cola is concerned with the efficient production and distribution of goods and services. Coca-Cola is also one of the leading plastic polluter. Based on the research, in October 2020, Coca-Cola was facing a lawsuit for plastic pollution from the Earth Island Institution and Plastic Pollution Coalition. Coca-Cola is also facing poor material handling as they involved in environmentally damaging industry such as motorsports and sale of fish.
Hi, I'm Yutao. Now I will talk about Coca-Cola product life cycle. For their main product, Coca-Cola is an excellent example of a product with an extremely lengthy product life cycle. It spent most of its existence in the maturity stage since its establishment in 1886. But from now, the original Coke probably at maturity stage touching decline stage. So they prolong the life cycle before it enters the decline stage through product extension strategies. They had many strategies over the years to extend their brand and their core product. For example, from the original Coke to Diet Coke, which is one of the most famous line extensions for the company. Then, as the trend grew and health concerns around sugar became much more serious, they tried to attract consumers to a sugar-free alternative by introducing Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. They also had other line extensions like Cherry Coke. Coca-Cola always make their main product became variety and never stop to improve their product and operation. This is why Coca-Cola always at the maturity stage. Now I would like to present about the Coca-Cola operation design. The Coca-Cola has their line extension, for example sugar-free Coca-Cola, but not only for their main product. They have also used their technology to produce other healthy sugar-free beverages to consumers like fruit juice and vitamin waters, and also produce other soft drinks like Fanta and Sprite. Next, the Coca-Cola company also provide platform service such as data management, consumer analytics, digital commerce, and social or digital hubs will be included. For example, Snip and Scan, which enable customers to discover surprise and reward by scanning symbols on Coke packaging with their mobile phones. Last but not least, the company human resource plan to set a goal for each level of the company and review them regularly to solve the problem and maximize the company efficiency. Now is the possible solution. In my opinion, due to the growing awareness of health concerns, the company can continue design a no sugar version to provide consumer a diverse selection of beverage, and also design variety drinks like teas and yogurts with low or without sugar. Next, they can change the Coke bottle size by 150 ml so that the consumer can drink a little bit and make it happy and healthy. Last but not least, the company can also implement the recovery and recycling activities of Coca-Cola plastic bottle to tackle the global plastic waste crisis to meet sustainability goals.
Hi, my name is Iken and I would like to present about the Haze and Rewrite model for Coca-Cola Company. Based on the Haze and Rewrite model, the operations capabilities and contributions of Coca-Cola Company are currently at stage 4 through their distribution control model. Coca-Cola is among one of the most accessible drinks compared to their competitors. It is available in restaurants, supermarkets, grocery stores, cinemas, and vending machines, even in remote locations such as the countryside. The reason on how Coca-Cola Company are able to deliver their products to such remote locations is their distribution model. Coca-Cola Company manufactures their syrup in Georgia, USA. However, they set up bottling plants around the world to localize distribution. The bottlers function to bottle Coca-Cola into finished products and distribute to the local market. As a result, they can ensure the Coca-Cola is fresh by reducing the time between its finished bottling to when it is placed on the shelves of local stores. It can also reduce the transportation costs because each bottler distributes Coca-Cola locally and does not depend on international transport. Bottlers are also responsible to gain customer feedback and develop new products to cater to the local market. One example that can be observed is the Coca-Cola bottlers in Japan, which is one of the most innovative bottlers. Coca-Cola Japan has developed products such as Coca-Cola Sakura and Coca-Cola Clear. With the Japanese becoming increasingly aware of healthy drinks, Coca-Cola also introduced the Coca-Cola Plus, which contains dietary fiber to absorb fat. Now I would like to present about the recommendations for Coca-Cola Company based on the Haze and Rewrite model. To continue the stage 4 operations in Haze and Rewrite model, Coca-Cola Company should focus on the sustainability in distribution control. Firstly, reduce the carbon footprint in distribution, where it is mainly contributed by the carbon emission of delivery vehicles. For this, Coca-Cola has implemented the use of hybrid trucks for distribution. Secondly, improve water usage and reduce water pollution. Coca-Cola Company aims to use water efficiently in their production, and their target is to reach 100% efficiency, whereby all the water taken for input are used in production without waste. Based on the company's data, the water use ratio has improved by 15% from 2.12 in 2012 to 1.84 in 2020. This means that 1.84 liters of water are used for each 1.5 liters of Coca-Cola produced. Thirdly, reduce plastic in packaging. With Coca-Cola using plastic bottles to package their products, Coca-Cola understands the implication of increasing plastic waste. Therefore, Coca-Cola Company plans to develop reusable plastic as alternatives and increase recycling. In this case, they have reached 90% reusable plastic and 60% in plastic recycled.
Hi, and now I'm going to present about the recommendation to address the issue that Coca-Cola Company is facing. The first recommendation is the machine need to ensure always working efficiently, as it is because Coca-Cola is very dependent on the automated equipment. And then, the second recommendation is to have a professional technician and operator teams. It is due to ensure the proper maintenance of the machine to prevent the unplanned downtime and interrupt the manufacturing process. As the machine of the plant running 24 hours a day, the team need to implement a maintenance schedule to avoid the need for expensive repair fees and ensure the project are working on time. And then, the good management in process of moving and storing the material is very important. The supply chain management need to design and plan the supply chain and control all the variables.
Now, I will talk about the conclusion part. In conclusion, Coca-Cola is a dominant global player in the beverage industry. Coca-Cola's strategy concentrates on taking the entire market segmentation globally. However, along with the rise of the beverage market, several local and international rivals are now operating and decreasing Coca-Cola market share in every country. Hence, Coca-Cola needs to come up with a new way to market their products. For example, Coca-Cola is able to alter its approach in order to infiltrate the market more complexly and enough so that it may continue to develop its market share in all countries, since they are armed with its bottling partner and also have the capability to think global, act local. Hi, now I will talk about the reflection and learning part. The reflection in this assignment is I felt that this assignment was key in helping us apply textbook knowledge into a real-life context. One of the challenging part is we are stuck when we distribute our assignment question, since we do not have a clear assignment question. After seeking advice from Mr. Lee, and this also my favorite part of the assignment, which Mr. Lee gave us the creative freedom to do whatever we wanted for our assignment. That's why he did not mention some specific term in the assignment content. Thus, my groupmates showed teamwork and brainstormed many of the ideas to design the assignment, and we worked together. So what we can learn in Coca-Cola is they are good in making human connection, remaining innovative while staying true to simple principles, and creating branded experiences are all global marketing techniques that have contributed to Coca-Cola place as an industry leader even after 125 years. For example, one of the techniques is the simplicity of Coca-Cola. Despite having grown into a massive global industry with innumerable products, Coca-Cola has never strayed from its timeless and basic ideas. Throughout the decades and multitudes of marketing campaigns, Coca-Cola has remained consistent when communicating one strong and effective message, which is pleasure. Enduring simple slogans such as enjoy and happiness never go out of style and translate easily across the globe. Moreover, we also can learn the personalization of Coca-Cola. For example, despite its status as a global icon, Coca-Cola understands that it has to find ways to speak to consumers at a more personal, localized level. Initially introduced in Australia, the company's Share a Coke campaign has now successfully expanded to over 50 countries. This campaign is the perfect example of effectively applying a localized positioning strategy to a global market. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you.